So what's up? We back with the Justice Box Chevy. About to get ready to put the speakers in the back deck. The back deck in, back window trim. Take the tint off the back window. Oh, it's so clean without that tint on there, man. Tint was purple anyway. I know it's a lot of people, man, why you ain't keep your tint? Keep your tint, tint. It's a lot of y'all who tint lovers. All the doors deadening. Besides this one, I still gotta do this window seal on this boy. So we got 3 fresh window seals so far. And then, like I say, they all dead. Dash getting painted. And then wrapped at the bottom. Sand that boy. Somebody said they wanted to see a wrap dash for the box Chevys, man. It's being done. Just not often. Nobody want to take them off. Same thing for G-Bikes and all the rest of the dash. Nobody want to take them off, so they try to do what they can with it in the car. Like if you got the car like this, it's easy. You can just paint the whole dash, paint the lower dash, paint whatever you want. But it's just a clean look with the dash wrap. But like I said, all the seals, man. All that cracking and all that. About to do all this same stuff to my car. So my time lapse, y'all. Gonna get this back half of the car put back together. And then once the front go in, put this carpet in, and then shoot. Oh yeah, wiring. I gotta wire this bad boy too. That ain't gonna take long because ain't nothing in the car. But I was gonna keep the remote wire in this car, man, but right on the radio you got this. So it's like somebody done extended and changed a bunch of this and that, a bunch of riffraff. Don't really want to go back and mess with it, so I'm gonna end up taking it all out. All the wires mismatched. Sound box. This is some very cheap wire. I used to sell this sound box. Some eBay, Amazon stuff. All the wires gonna be matching. Y'all see just this welding cable. Same layout. Battery will be secure. But for now, I'm about to take this tint off. Finish that in the little spot that I missed, and shoot, we'll be on to putting everything in the car.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plot. Beside the piece. Not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push a P, push a P. On capital P, I write the president, I'm president. Push a P, she let me squeeze, then she leave.
Woo! Man, it's hot, boy. Keep my shades on. They helping me out. So, got the whole system wired, dash back in, gauges back in. Yeah, I still got to take this one window off. I've been drilling it. That ain't no easy, quick process at all. Them window felts, but they do look good and make a difference once it's on, though. Another day back on this red box Chevy. I'm installing the gauges today, and hopefully I can get the kick panel started, if not done. Change the plans under the hood, man. I ordered a grommet May 3rd. It is May the 24th or something like that. I ordered it the next day, 2 grommets. Sharp Performance. Ordered it, never got it. Called them on the 15th. They told me the next day my stuff. Still never got it. I just opened the case on PayPal, and I told them I never got it. They instantly just refunded the money the next day instead of sending the damn grommet. Like, what the plan was for this was to just take the Terminator X box and all these relays off, cut the hole in the firewall, and put their 2-piece grommet on. So basically, I would just disconnect all of this, cut the hole, stick it through the hole, one side of the grommet on the inside and one side on the outside, tighten it up, boom, done. But with a circular grommet, you have to take this whole harness off the motor and shove it through the car. Customer said, no, don't do it. So basically, I'm not touching nothing under the hood. So that's gonna be that. It's no point in me beautifying all this and making it look good just for that to still be right there. Me, I really don't like really doing halfway decent stuff, so I'm just gonna leave it all alone. I told him I don't even want to touch it because if I can't make that go in the car, I don't want to do it because it ain't gonna look right. It's just gonna be one side real clean and the other side just the other side. What's going on, y'all? Back on this red box Chevy. I don't know if I explained this process to y'all, but I'm about to explain it again just in case I didn't. So we got the Terminator X. We said we are not taking it from under the hood now because the owner don't want to take the harness off the motor. So great, easy work. Just gotta buy more pieces. All right, so the dash, the tach, it comes with a tach output, so you could connect that to the thing. But the temp, you'll have to put the adapters in the motor. Makes more wiring. Same thing with the oil. The oil is actually attached to the harness, which I didn't know. On the factory PCM, they don't. It's connected but wired through the harness. So say if you get a rework harness, the oil does not connect to it. It's separate. So we had to get an extension and a splitter for the CAN. And this is the CAN output. This is what makes the handheld tablet work. So this wire is connected to that handheld tablet. So I'm gonna have to break all these zip ties, connect the wire splitter to the cam, run the extension also inside the car, and then we'll connect that to the gauges, and we should have tach, temp, oil, and speedometer. But everything else is wired already. So I'm finna connect all that, and then we'll see if everything else works. All right, YouTube family. Let me let this dash up a little bit. I mean the steering wheel up a little bit on the tilt joint. Alright, got it to where it look good. Alright, let's see something. Check engine light. Oh, the oil seal don't read off the thing. Hold on, let's see. I gotta set it out. That's what I gotta do. I gotta go in the settings and then set it all to bus so it'll read off the module. So give me a second, let me do that. Man, I just scratched a hole in myself. I just secured the fuel line off the headers because I'm gonna let it run for a minute, make sure everything working like it should. Man, I really hate the way this Holly box and all this access, this big bulk up. Man, I really dislike that. I ain't even finna lie to y'all, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be, bro. Hey, y'all ain't about to leave this, man. The owner of the car never seen my YouTube. I was like, I ain't even hold weight, man. That's what I be telling y'all. But I'm ready to see what it's gonna do because this is off my own research and everything. So let's see. I hope the oil come through, man. Let's see what it. Let me cut the light off. See what it do. All right, it didn't do nothing. So let me go back to the drawing board. Man, super brain fart. I forgot, man. They told me I had to change something in the module. I don't know how to forget. I had to call tech support to make sure I bought the right stuff to make this work. So let me hit the settings I gotta push. Man, so I'm going back over it. Same thing they said on the phone. So set it up. Hold the Holly button, move on. Tap the button, display system, dash, TIARRA for Terminator X. Did that. Hold the monitor to display, press N to save. Now, this is what it should show. RPM, temp, intake manifold, temp, boost, with boosting AFR. AFR, it'll show AFR, but boost don't matter. And, you know, boosting engine and the oil pressure. Sure, it ain't showing nothing. Even though I did these steps. So we get the HDX. HDX is boost screen, this is boost screen. VFD I ain't touched the VFD since I took this thing out this car. That's the last time I touched one. Before that, probably about 5 years ago, last time I touched the VMD. VHX, HDX, RTX, really. Damn. Alright, so I'm gonna double back and make sure I did everything I was supposed to do. But it came with 2 different harnesses, and I used this one for the Terminator X. And then I used the extension. So yeah, let me keep working with it and see what the hell is going on. And I was chilling right here with my kids, man. It's like 11 o'clock now, but hey, this is a super advanced. Big ups to Holly, man, because this is like a super advanced system, man. You gotta take the SD card out, all right? Download the software, put it in the computer, and make sure these settings right. All right, man, y'all see the time, so you ain't capping. Put the dash in 2 days ago, all right? So, also, I want to show y'all another thing. Hold on, let me disconnect this here. All right, I want to show y'all another thing. So, look, the software is saying, 1, click this, which I did. 2, click that. 3, you should see CAN bus. 2, no CAN bus. It's Holly EFIV4. I tried to download that too, which I'm about to try again. I'll show you all this to explain, like, everybody on a flat rate, right? And this just triggered something that was on why I want to shop away from the house video, right? So this is a prime example of why I got to shop at the house. So say if I had it take me about 4 to 6 hours to wire a dash, right? And that's start to finish. 4 to 6 hours, usually 6 hours. I've been on this dash at least 10 hours with what I'm doing now. So that's $1,000, right? But I still charge them $600 if I charge $100 an hour, right? I cannot take that loss at a shop with a prime location, but I cannot sit there and learn how to do something on somebody's car and charge them about an hour also, which a lot of big shops do that. But I don't feel like that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to learn and get to train. So if Holly offer, so you got these Holly systems, you got these alarm systems, Vipers, Company Star, all the stuff that I've been taking them classes for. All of these big companies offer classes and seminars and trainings for the software and products that they offer, right? That's up to the people that runs the shop to get their people to get training for those classes, right? If you don't get trained for those classes, how the hell you gonna charge the people that cars you working on, and you don't know what the hell you're doing? Like, this is common sense, man. So that's why I had to get this. He was talking, oh, that was a waste of money. How, motherfucker? If you don't understand how this works, you're gonna charge somebody, say something's supposed to take 8 hours, right? You don't know what you're doing because you didn't take the proper class. You didn't get the right proper training. You don't have your own car to work on. You can't work on your own car, which I do work on my own cars. Boom. Now something take 8 hours took you 20 hours, and the average price is $900. Now you got to charge the person $2,200 because you don't know what the fuck you doing. Like, bro, I can't really argue with people like that. Like, if you don't know how this stuff go, then it's pointless. Also, in my shop, paid for itself in 2 months. So all the money I spent initially on a slab in the building, I paid for it in 2 months, so I wasn't really tripping on the price. But everything else, all the rest of the grade and the gravel, the front slab that I got recently put on, all that stuff is not really included in the price. That's just beautification stuff that I wanted to do. But damn, I'm gonna have to call around on call tech support again. I'm gonna have to call Holly and see, cause yeah, this got me puzzled, man. I've been on it about 4 hours today, and I did literally nothing but put a splitter on and put and connected it to the module. I'm gonna look at this module one more time before I roll in the shop and make sure I ain't miss nothing. Damn, I could have got so much other stuff done. Cause I'm holding people orders up because I'm on this car. I'm gonna have to leave this car alone for this weekend. I worked on it last weekend. I'm gonna leave it alone for this weekend. It's time to get money. But yeah, man. Hopefully on the next video, which will be next week sometime, because tech support and all the other companies close on the weekend. I'm gonna still be working. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. And everybody be safe. Have a great weekend. Hopefully I can edit this video tomorrow and have it out. Y'all be safe. It's yes, man. I'm out.